The lighting, that light. I can swing it. Look at this fresh pasta. Oh my God, this is my world. Let me make sure you see my mouth when I say it. I feel like the elitist group is full of shit. It is, sing it with me, the day after Halloween.
Can't wait to put up the tree. Lights warm up winter nights. Bright shining back at me.
All right, so.
To the holiday movies. Fireplace for real on TV. Gonna see for who we are.
Really? Rap box. The day after Halloween. Well, hey y'all, it is day 16. And let me pause this real quick. I'm watching hair videos and other people's Vlogmas, some of my favorite YouTubers. And basically, I just finished filming a reel. So I'm getting ready to go out and run some errands. I think I'm gonna have lunch down at 7th Street Market. I guess it is a little hard to talk and apply lipstick. Ace is in there making music.
Can you hear it?
He's in the lab. We actually are working on making our own home studio. And yes, I can hear it, my love.
I decided to just differ the drum. The drum did not really match that well. Because every single thing of everything that I added, it matched with the violin, but it did not match with the drum.
Okay. Okay. Well, he in there in the lab, y'all. He working. He amping. So I am finishing up, getting ready. Asa, you don't have on pants. So I can't show you. That's why I keep moving it. Y'all, he's comfortable in his own house, which he should be. But this ain't that type of channel, so. The lighting, that light is the death of my cinematography, my video recording. Good gracious. This light, they all have these, and otherwise I would love the glare, but I don't want sunlight like that. It's like it mimics some sunlight. And I did a ponytail. Hold on, let's get a better look. I can swing it. I can swing it. I'm shining a little bit. But that's okay. You like? I learned from IVONMELDA, Ivan Melda, I believe it is. It's a YouTuber, and she does a lot of different styles with braiding hair, and that's my world. I really, really appreciate her. I really do. Come on with me, y'all. I am now downtown. I took an Uber. That was an interesting conversation. I actually should have low-key recorded. I might definitely do that on my way back. And I'm going to actually head over to 7th Street Market and have a drink. I'm indulging today. It's been, honey, it's been a lot of things. So I am indulging. I had this really nice, rich coffee from my bank, and I want to get one of the delicious ginger teas from 7th Street Market. Honey, let me tell you, nobody does it like them. Nobody does it like them. I've been to a couple of places throughout Charlotte. Well, actually, let me be honest. I've been to a lot of better places around Charlotte. And I am really, as my son has already said, I'm a connoisseur for teas and drinks and just food and wine in general, mainly because I fell in love with the food industry, that side of it. When I was a server, I worked at every type of restaurant. The mom and pop. I've worked at literally a mom and pop seafood and steakhouse joint when I was a ranger. I just wanted to have more to do, and I thought it would be a good way to get to know more people and bring in some extra cash that I could just use that cash to blow, as opposed to my regular salary as a ranger. And so I took on a part-time position with a local restaurant when I was living in, working at Shenandoah National Park. Hold on, let me make sure I get by safely. And working in Luray, Virginia, which was a neighboring city. So I've worked at a mom and pop restaurant. I've worked at high-end restaurants like J. Alexander's, somewhat high-end, middle ground, if you will, Cheesecake Factory. I've done it. Worked at Denny's. And I have just really developed an appreciation for food and wine and drinks. And so I am indulging as it gets closer and closer to the holiday because I deserve it. You can't even imagine the things that I've been through. I'm pretty sure we could swap stories though. And I'm going to have a wonderful infused tea down here at 7th Street Market. So join me and stick with me in this vlog. Sir, just so you know, I'm filming a vlog, so you can't. What I should do is try a new spot. I've not been to this Sabor Latin Street Grill, so I'm not sure. That looks really good, but I really, really want a soothing pressed tea, and you'll see what I mean. I'll show you exactly the presentation. I love the presentation. This is 7th Street Market. Excuse me. I'm not sure what I want, but I'm definitely gonna have the coffee from Not Just Coffee. So I normally love getting the, well, it looks like they've changed it again. There was another place here that, so it's changed again?
The creek place?
Yes.
Yeah, it's been over a year since they've been gone.
The time just flies.
I know, it's crazy.
It flies. Well, welcome. I might have a waffle. I don't know. Okay, let me see. I'm not really sure what I want. They got the basmati rice. So this is definitely Indian or Asian inspired, I'm not really sure. And their popcorn over here is delicious, 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 delicious. I would be super mom if I brought that home for Asa. All right, let me figure it out. And this is new. They've changed them out pretty often. This is new, this is interesting. But I don't want anything major. And they do have some seafood chowder. Got shrimp and grits. Looks like the pizza place is no longer here. And this is Mad Dash. A mushy goat. That looks good. It's like my world. Alright, let me look some more and figure out what I want. They used to have a pizza joint here. Oh yeah, yeah. This is the pizza place and they do vegan pizzas. We always get vegan because of our Ace's allergy and my aversion. But I don't want pizza today. I would also be a rock star mom if I brought home a pizza. So I'm trying to think it out. Look at this fresh pasta. I mean, it gets no better than this. I've never tried Mafaldi pasta, but I love fresh pasta. Fusilli. Fun fact: one of my favorite chefs, superstar chefs, is Giada. I love her. Okay, so I want to find out just the price on these. Okay, those are gift baskets. We're not doing that. I've never had Mafaldi pasta, so I think I'm gonna get a half pound. She said there was no minimum, so I'm gonna get a half pound of fresh Mafaldi pasta. It just looks so good.
It expands. It's kind of fluffy.
Looks, I think that'll be my jam for me and my son. We're definitely pasta lovers. And I'm trying to figure out while I'm down here, am I gonna, I told him I was going to do lunch, just taking mommy on her own solo date.
Right.
But I was like, of course I need to be a rock star mom and bring something fun back. So I'll do that.
Good idea.
Yeah.
You said a half pound, right?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And I am vlogging, but I don't have you on screen. You know how we do. Ooh, that looks good already. And your croutons look nuts. Like you have infused them. Oh, they look infused. I should have drugged my son out here, but I am going to take him out tomorrow. I knew it would be raining and stuff. And he's not really into the, being extra. Well, actually, I'm lying through my teeth. He's just as bougie as I am, honey. If not more bougie. So, but he definitely didn't feel like coming out in the rain. But tomorrow it's going to be clear, so I'm definitely getting us out. No car, who cares? There's so many different ways to travel. I love that. Support small business. Y'all know how I feel about this. I love this because you got to get more specific. This is all ambitious. This is awesome. Oh my God, this is my world. Perfectly every fucking where. It still makes brilliant fucking sense. Fuck. Oh my God. This. Oh, honey. Cheeky 53 definitely has a new customer. Oh my gosh. Glamorous woman who just happens to have grandchildren, but it's too, glamour, of course, but it's too fabulous and gorgeous to be called. That's gonna be me all day long. All day long. Cute, it's so cute. It's adorable. That is gorgeous. How beautiful that is. This is me colors and everything. It's really pretty. I'm getting hungry. Let me figure out what I'm gonna eat. I do love artisan cheeses, even though I'm not really big on the milk. I do still love a good artisan cheese. This looks pretty good. Mushroom soup. Excuse me, so your mushroom soup, what's all in it?
It's there's mushrooms, vegetable broth. There's a little bit of a little bit of truffle paste in there, and it uses cauliflower to thicken it. So
I would
it is
love
vegan
that.
and gluten free.
I would love that, please.
Yeah. Like a smaller.
Large, it's gonna be lunch, and I'm gonna get me a tea over there.
Okay, yeah.
I earned a star. How do y'all feel about ports? I actually love them. Oh, schnapps, bitters, orange. Oh wow, celery. I've never had celery, but that would definitely be my jam and the lime. What's your favorite wine? My favorite wine is a Merlot. They do have a Merlot. And I also like a Malbec. That's my favorite. Interesting. Like South African wines. Look at that, the power of love. And then when it comes to white, my go-to, when I just, my go-to white wine is a Sauvignon Blanc. But when I really want a kick, I get a Pinot Grigio. I'm surprised I don't see any. Well, of course, I'm tripping because it needs to be in, yep, it's in here. It needs to be in the refrigerator. Mom juice. Exactly. Exactly. I know, that's what I'm thinking. Mom juice and then drink King's Estate. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had King's Estate. I don't know why. Okay, think.
Don't think too much. Make you way too thirsty.
I know it, right? Exactly. Okay, I know I really want some tea. So I'm gonna come back after and I'm gonna make a decision. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And I'm filming myself. Do you mind if I film that for my vlog and not you? That's okay? Just to make sure. Stop the footage regardless. Because I've been telling people about your presentation. I love it. Getting on the 11, headed back to Mallard Creek. And this should serve as a life level up. We won't even call it a lesson. We'll call it a life level up, right? Because I'm not talking at you. I am your peer. I'm not above you. I don't roll like that. But, you know, some people, they consider me a part of the elite because of my education and the fact that I've run for office. But understand, on any given day, you may see me in a bus. Or on the bus. You may see me walking. Honey, you may see me walking just about anywhere. You may see me in one of my Rovers. You may see me in a Lyft. You may see me in an Uber. Understand, it's me still all day long. I do not rock with an elitist mentality because I don't believe that the group should even be in its place. I feel like they're full of shit. And you've heard it. Look, let me make sure you see my mouth when I say it. I feel like the elitist group is full of shit. And oftentimes they are a bunch of liars and they are faking the funk 24/7. So get your ass on the bus if you need to get yourself somewhere and you're without your vehicle for any short amount of time. Get your ass on the bus. Get over your ass. Get over what you think that people are going to think about you, because the truth of the matter is that ain't nothing derogatory about a bus. Now, unfortunately, there are bad experiences that happen on buses, but there are bad experiences that happen in Uber and a Lyft. There are bad experiences that happen in your damn Rover, your Lexus, your Jaguar, your Prius, whatever, okay? The reality is that life happens to us all. That's what I say all the time. And in my poem, I said that only few circumstances divide us from noses turned up and judgmental glances, and I meant that. So don't get beside yourself and get on the bus if you need to get on the damn bus. I got $13 to get to, I got $13 to take an Uber home. I don't want to pay $13 when I can pay $2 and get my beautiful black ass home. Okay? I want to keep my $13. I'm not $13 to be riding around with Uber all damn day. If I had done that, that would be $37 damn for the day. $30 for the day. I know you got to be lying. You won't find me paying no $30 motherfucking dollars.
Sex all night, mad head in the morning. Spin my weed, smoke.
Had a car 54 chasing diamond.
While you still trying to find where it is, I'm on the ad where it lives and dies.
Mano balls pasta. Let's go.
You know what?
Let's go.
Doesn't that look beautiful though? You can tell how fresh it is. Okay, they can't tell by doing that.
Sniff
Hold
it.
Right?
Sniff
Goodness.
it. Okay.
This is what I had to deal with, y'all. Dang.
This your girlfriend.
Oh gosh. This your daddy's son. Hey. You your daddy's son. Hey. Okay, so y'all, you know it. You can tell when he recording, okay? You can tell when he recording. Be careful.
So, epic. Better than Taco Bell. Oh my god. Oh
Okay,
my god.
okay.
Backflip. Oh
Okay, watch
my
out.
god.
Be careful.
Oh my god.
Slowly,
This looks
because you're
so.
giving people vertigo and all kinds of
This
stuff.
looks so good, guys. This looks so
Alright,
good.
Salt the water.
Yeah, my mom is doing whatever the heck she's doing. Why in the world are you adding salt?
Stop saying heck.
Says the one who's eating Mano balls pasta.
Lord have mercy. Why?
Mano balls pasta.
Okay, fresh that is. That's fresh.
Ew, that look like mushroom.
It does not. Lord have mercy. Why you got to make it?
That
seem
look
so
like mushroom.
crazy? All right, so that's cooking.
That look like bulletproof.
Just in case you're wondering, this is the just in case pasta. Because of this one, he might be like, nah, I don't want it.
I like pasta.
Yeah, so that's why I think you're going to love this.
I will chair you.
How about I cheer you? Right. Called Mono Bella.
Mono balls.
Hand beautiful. Hand kiss. Chef's kiss.
My mom is eating Mano balls
And-
pasta. Mano balls pasta.
Mano Bella.
Mono bells pasta.
God, beautiful hands.
Mano bells pasta.
Get your friend.
Mano balls
Get
pasta.
your friend.